Many people dream of starting an online business, but they feel stuck because they think it is too complicated, expensive, or technical. The good news is AI can help you start an online business easily, even if you are a beginner. AI tools can help you with idea generation, creating content, building websites, marketing, customer support, and even selling the products. In this video, I will give you a beginner friendly guide on how to build an online business using AI so you can start without stress and take action today. An online business powered by AI is not about replacing the human, it is about using smart tools to save time, reduce mistakes, and work faster. By letting AI handle repetitive and technical tasks, you can focus on creativity, strategy, and growing your audience. This makes it possible for anyone to start a business online even with limited experience. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to use the AI tools to create real business. In this video, we will learn how to build an online business with AI from scratch. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try the AI tools for your business. By using the description links, you can access the free trial or special offers automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is choosing your business idea. You need a clear idea of what you want to offer online. This could be a digital product like an ebook or course, a service like consulting or freelancing, or even an online store selling physical products. AI tools like ChatGPT and Exploding Topics, this can help you to generate business ideas by analyzing the trends, the competition, and the demands. For example, you can use the AI to research tools to find the topics that people are searching for or problems that need solutions. This gives you confidence that your business has potential. Next, you need a website or online presence. AI tools like Wix ADI or Durable AI that allow you to create the professional looking website in just minutes. And you don't have to know about coding. You can use the tools that generate layout, designs, and even content automatically. Your website will act as your online store, service hub, or portfolio. So, giving your business place to attract the visitors and convert them into customers. After your website is ready, it's time to create content. AI content tools like ChatGPT and the Jasper AI that can help you to write blog posts, product description, email newsletters, or social media posts instead of spending hours to thinking about what to write. You can give the AI a topic or a few instructions and it will create the drafts for you. Then you can edit and personalize them so they can sound like your own voice. It saves time and give you a chance to keep working on your content professional. Marketing your business is the next crucial step. AI tools like Okoya and the Ad Creative AI, this can automate your social media post, suggest the hashtag, and even generate the ad copy for the platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Some tool can help you to run the email marketing campaigns, track customer behavior, and recommend the improvements. This means you can reach your audience consistently without manually managing every post or campaign. Another important step is customer support. AI chatbot like Chidio and Chatbase, they can answer common questions, handle the inquiries, and guide the visitors on your website 24/7. This improves the customer experience and saves you from responding to every question manually. You can also set up the automated responses to emails or messages so your audience always receives timely information. Selling and payment processing is also easy with AI. Platforms like Shopify and SellNow, they can integrate payment gateways, manage orders, and even suggest the products to your audience they might like. AI can also help you to optimize pricing or creating the offers based on customer behavior, making your business more profitable. Finally, tracking results and improving your business is key. AI analytics tool like the Google Analytics and the Plurdy, they can show which marketing strategies work, what content performs best, and where you can improve. Instead of guessing, you get the data-driven insights to make the smarter decision and ensure your online business grows steadily over time. So to summarize, building an online business with AI involves the choosing a business idea, creating a website, generating content, marketing effectively, automating the customer support, setting up sales system and tracking results. AI makes these steps faster, simpler and beginner friendly. So that's it for today's video. If this guide helped you to understand how to build an online business with AI, give a video like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.